Hey y'all, it's Kel. I'm back with another hair video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my day 2 wash and goes on day 1. So if you are ready for that, then just stay tuned. So here I am parting my hair where I wanted to, fall for this wash and go. In the next couple of clips, you're going to see it in 3 different sections, and I'm able to do a pretty good wash and go with fewer sections because my hair is not thin, but it's not thick. So I don't know how to explain that, but it just makes it easier for product to go onto it. So I don't have to use more sections. The products that I'm using would be the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate, Wild Growth Oil, and my sister's Radiant Rose Oil. I will link that in the description below because it just bombed and grew my bald spot back. I'm also using Mizani True Textures for the styling agent. So here we go. So what I'm doing first is just putting on the Wild Growth Oil on my roots and also on the ends. The middle, it'll slide down. I don't really pay attention to that because as I'm maneuvering my hair around, it'll get on everything. So I'm just putting that in there. Then this next clip, I am using the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. And I like this in my wash and goes. I mean, the smell is very strong. It's a good smell, but it's strong. And I feel like I smell like that when I go places. So I don't know if I like that, but it's very, very hydrating. It's very... it actually holds the curls in place. So I really enjoy that. But yeah, this is me also rehydrating. Just re-wetting my hair because as I parted it got a little bit dry. So that's just water. But yeah, I'm just putting that in there and making sure that I coat every strand, the basic YouTube talk. So you guys, this Mizani True Textures is something new that I've been trying. It's called Perfect Coil Oil Gel. And basically it's a styling product. When I say I put this stuff on my hair, it looks and feels disgusting. And y'all all know what it looks like. But when I put it on my hair, I've never used flaxseed gel, but I feel like that's what it would feel like. Like it's super, if you can see here, its slip is amazing. Watch, look, wow, disgusting. But yeah, the slip is amazing though. So this is going to be something that I use, especially out here, because I feel like it kind of stopped the water and the air from the humidity getting to my hair. So yeah, I really enjoyed this product. I'm gonna keep using it. I actually got this for Christmas from my sister. So kudos and shout outs to her. Here is her page information if y'all want to go subscribe to her channel as well. But yeah, she does hair reviews, wig reviews. She has her own hairline. She's actually a cosmetologist. She's been a cosmetologist forever. And she does the wigs, closures, all that good stuff. And fashion reviews. I don't remember if I said that. But yeah, so section 2, I'm doing, I sprayed it down. I got the oil on. I am putting the Camille Rose on it as well. I don't know why I always feel so rushed during voiceovers, but whatever. Yeah, and I'm just putting that on. As you can see, that stuff is amazing. It makes my hair super shiny, super bouncy. My hair just really eats it up. I don't know, what porosity am I if my hair eats everything up and then it doesn't get dry, but it's the products really just sink straight into my hair. Is that high porosity? I don't know, whatever. But yeah, so I'm putting that on and I'm dancing to my music on Sunday morning because you know what it is. And then I realized my door was still open and I'm showing y'all all my business in my dirty room. Hopefully y'all ain't see nothing. But yeah, I'm just basically lathering up not lathering. What's the word for it? I don't know. But saturating that section in the Camille Rose. I don't know why this clip is so long. Yeah. But I hope you guys get the gist of what I'm doing. So then I'm going in with the Mizani. Yeah, that kind of cut off, but that's the Mizani. I'm just putting that in my hair and saturating my hair with that as well. And I'm going to show you, I think I'm showing you guys the curl, look at the curls for the girls. That was me showing y'all how mad I was about my shrinkage. I know shrinkage is amazing. I know that it means that your hair is healthy and hydrated and good, but I'm not trying to be out here small head, bald head. I'm sorry. But anyways, I cut my hair, so that was my choice. But I'm doing my last section. I'm splitting it in two so I can make sure that I get every part, and also that I can make sure that it goes in the direction that I want it to go in. So again, the oil, putting that through roots and ends, and making sure you get every single strand, focusing on the ends and mostly. Then you get the Camille Rose, and just rake that through. And when you're raking through, rake with the purpose of actually creating separate curls. Like, don't just rake it just because that's a step in the process. Same with the Mizani. Rake it through and like move your hair to where your curls will clump. Like, don't just rake just because. Yeah, this is the same old stuff, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch. So that is the product portion of this wash and go. As you can see, my curls are gorgeous and they are bouncing and behaving. I don't really put a lot of products on my hair for the simple fact that it just like it's sometimes too much and also breaks my skin out. But the next clip will just be me doing the blow drying process with the tension method. So here you go. So my blow drying process is fairly simple. It's just a tension method on high heat. I've already explained this in another video. I'll put that in the description and also put a card up here for it. But you guys can just watch and see how I do like small sections around my head. Yeah, so she just finished her blow drying. Her curls are popping, they're shaking, they're moving, no frizz. It's looking already like day 2 hair. I'm banding my hair now with big elastic bands. I wrap it around my hand twice, and then I pull it tight after I get it around once, and then I just go down the rest of the hair with the remaining part of the elastic band, as you can see here. So I'll pull that, make it tight, and then just go around. And I'm realizing in this clip that the back of my hair is longer than the sides and the front. I'm happy, but also like, what's going on? But neither here nor there, whatever. So I'm just continuing. This is the 3rd section, pulling it tight and bringing that elastic band all the way down so we can preserve our length that we just got from blow drying. And because if I walk around without like just like this, my hair won't stay like this. It'll just shrink all the way back up. With this section, I'm not going to go too far down because it's like a bang. So I don't want it to be too long. I just want to stay like kind of at my eyebrow length. So I didn't go all the way to the end. So yeah, the next part is just going to be me blow drying and making sure that everything is dry before I leave the house. What I do after this is put a bonnet on until I get to church, take my bonnet off, take the elastic bands off, pick it, and then I'm good to go. But you'll see my hair in the next clips. That's after going to church, going out to eat, and then going to a second service. And I really hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you. Jesus loves you. And have a great day. Bye.